Alrighty, so I've had my drone for about a year. Here's some of the cool flying and a couple crashes because when I pull it out inadvertently, someone will always say, "Have you ever crashed it yet?" Yeah, I've crashed it 3 times. Um, I have footage of two, but I can't remember what the three were. Anyway, these are just some signs. I was just trying out some of the features of the drone, which I thought was cool. So no, I'm not getting paid by Motel 6 or the Outlaw or the Flying J, but it's a cool shot nonetheless with the mountains in the background and stuff. And as you can tell, this is still when it was wintertime last year, and I was excited just to go out and shoot some pictures. And I thought this was a cool shot of the water tower at BDO, so I included it. They're doing tons of construction at Ben Lomond, and I just thought, hey, there's a crane. That'll be cool to get some shots of the crane and some shots of the construction. Somewhere on my YouTube, I have pictures of the demolition, or video of the demolition, which is pretty cool too. But like I say, I'm just looking for reasons to fly this thing. So anytime I find something interesting, I take a video. Does this kind of remind you of the last scene in Star Wars? Yeah, not really, huh? But I wanted to try flying it between the buildings. I'm getting brave. This here is the train bridge west of 1900 on 12th Street. I thought it was kind of cool. There's some kids over there in the background. They were skipping rocks. I told them, hey, don't throw rocks at my drone, okay? And luckily for me, they were nice enough not to. Devil Slide in Morgan. Another place I went and flew. Kind of cool to look at. Kind of unusual to see it from the air. Took it to the Fear Factory. I got quite a bit of footage, but I choose not to put it out. Just this one real quick. I hope no one minds that I did this. Sorry if you're upset. This next one is just Haunted Hollow in Ogden. I went to fly it around there. Man, it was tough to get good video of anything because of all the trees. This here was 4th of July last year. I thought this shot looked really cool, mainly because of the moon and then all the fireworks, of course. But I didn't even notice the moon and the fireworks until I looked back at the footage and thought, hey, how cool am I? Or at least, how cool is that shot? All right, for crash number 1, I was helping a friend film some stuff down at the BDO in Ogden, and I meant to take the drone right, but instead I took it left, and I wasn't paying attention to either the drone or my screen, and bam, hit the wall, fell down. First time I crashed it, my heart really sunk, I'm not gonna lie. But changed the props, got it back up in the air, no problems at all. Second crash, I was in Eagle Rock, Idaho, and I was flying it close to the river, but these black birds, I don't know if you can see them right there, they kept swarming me like crazy. So I put it in sport mode and cruised back into the land, but sport mode sensors aren't on, so it didn't stop me from crashing, but it was sand, it was soft, I picked it up, flew some more.